Occupational health, a pillar for workplace well-being. Occupational health is a key aspect of people's lives as it is directly related to the physical, mental, and social well-being of workers in their work environment. The concept has evolved over time, integrating various disciplines to ensure that people can perform their activities in conditions that promote safety, health, and personal development. In simple terms, occupational health aims to prevent workplace risks and promote healthy working environments where individuals can develop their skills without compromising their well-being. Definition and scope of occupational health. Occupational health is the set of measures and activities aimed at protecting workers from risks that may affect their health in the workplace. It focuses on preventing work-related illness and accident and promoting healthy work environment. The World Health Organization and the International Labour Organization have jointly defined occupational health as a discipline whose object is the promotion and maintenance of the highest degree of physical, mental, and social well-being of workers in all occupations. The scope of occupational health not only includes the prevention of accidents and disease but also the management of work related stress, the promotion of healthy lifestyle habits, ergonomics, and the creating of work environment that foster both professional and personal development. Over the years, occupational health policies have evolved to adapt to new labor challenges such as technology, globalization, and new forms of employment. Importance of occupational health. Occupational health is vital for both a worker and the company for the employed. It means an improvement in their quality of life, a reduction in risk of occupational disease, and a safe and healthy work environment for organization. Investing in occupational health can translate into higher productivity, lower absence rates, and improved employee morale and confidence. A worker who feels safe and valued in their work environment is more efficient and motivated. On the other hand, the work environment that neglect occupation health can lead to negative consequences, such as an increase in work-related accident, occupational disease, absenteeism, staff turnover, and in extreme case, even legal conflict. The ILO estimates that more than 2 million deaths occur each year due to work-related disease and accident. This highlighted the urgent need to implement effective occupational health policies across all sectors of the economy. Risk prevention not only saves life but can also significantly reduce costs associated with workplace accidents and disease. Key components of occupational health. Occupational health encompasses various areas that, in an integrated manner, aim to protect workers and ensure that their work environment are safe. Among the main components are the following: 1. Prevention of occupational risk. This is one of the fundamental pillars of occupational health. Identifying potential risks in the workplace and implementing measures to mitigate them is essential. Risks can be physical, chemical, biological, ergonomic, or physiological in nature, and they vary depending on the type of activity activity, and working condition. A good prevention program should include proper worker training in the uses of personal protective equipment and the implementation of safety protocols. Ergonomic. Ergonomics is the science that studies the relationship between the worker and their work environment, aiming to optimize the conditions under which work activities are performed. This includes the design of workstation, tools, and equipment that minimizes the physical and mental effort of the worker. Ergonomics seeks to prevent musculoskeletal problems, such as back, neck, or repetitive strain injuries, which are common in the certain job sectors. Health promotion in the workplace. In addition to preventing accidents and disease, occupational health also focuses on promoting healthy lifestyle habits among workers. This includes wellness programs that encourage physical activity, a balanced diet, reducing to tobacco and alcohol consumption, and stress management. Many companies are beginning to see the value of investing in the overall well-being of their employees, as healthier workers tend to be more productive and engaged. For mental health and work-related stress. Stress is one of the biggest problems in the modern place, and its impact to worker mental health cannot be underestimated. The pressure to meet deadlines, work overload, lack of control over tasks, and poor interpersonal relationships at work can generate high level of stress, which in turn can lead to more serious problems such as anxiety, depression, or burnout syndrome. Occupational health programs must include mechanisms to help workers manage stress as well as provide physical support when needed. 5. Ongoing training and education. A fundamental part of any occupational health program is the continuous training of workers on safety and health issues. Employees must be aware of the risks they are exposed to and how to act in case of an emergency. It is also important that they receive training on the proper use of equipment and machinery, as well as the best practice for performing their tasks safely and efficiently. Legislation and regulation on occupational health. At the international level, the ILO has developed a series of conventions and recommendations aimed at protecting workers and establishing minimum standards to health and safety at work. Each country is responsible for adapting this regulation to its national legislation and ensuring their compliance. In many countries, there are specific laws that require companies to implement occupational health programs and ensure that their workers have safe working conditions. These laws typically mandate risk assessment, private personal protective equipment, other safety and health training, and conduct periodic medical check. Compliance with this regulation not only protects workers but also shield companies from potential legal and reputational consequences in a world increasingly aware of the importance of workplace well-being. Companies that invest in occupational health are seen as socially responsible and committed to the well-being of their employees. Future challenge in occupational health. As the labor world involves occupational health, all faces new challenge. Digitalization promote work and the gig economy have changed work dynamic and introduced new health risks for workers. Teleworking, for example, has increased case of ergonomic uses and stress due to the lack of separation between work and personal life. Moreover, climate change is starting to impact workers' health, especially those working outdoors or in extreme environments. Companies must be prepared to face this challenge and adapt their occupational health policies to the new labor realities. Conclusion: health is essential to ensuring the well-being of workers and the uses of organization. Through risk prevention, the promotion of healthy habits, and the creation of safe working environments, both employees' quality of life and company producing can be improved in a constantly changing labor world. It is crucial that organizations adapt to new challenges and continues to invest in their workers' health, safety. Question and answer. What is occupational health and why it is important? Occupational health is a discipline focused on protecting workers' health in their work environment through risk prevention and the promotion of healthy work environment. It is important because it in a constantly changing labor world. It is crucial that organizations adapt to new challenges and continues to invest in their workers' health and safety. Question and answer. What is occupational health and why it is important? Occupational health is a discipline focused on protecting workers' health in their work environment through risk prevention and the promotion of healthy work environments. It is important because it improves worker quality of life, reduces workplace accident and illness, and contributes to organization productivity and success by ensuring employees work in safe and healthy conditions. Costs associated with abstaining, risk, sick leave, and staff turnover are minimized. 2. What are the main occupational risks faced by workers? Workers can face various occupational risks depending on the nature of their work. These risks include physical risk, noise, vibration, radiation, chemical risk, biological risk, ergonomic risk, psychosocial risk. Identifying and mitigating these risks is essential to ensure a safe and healthy work environment. 3. Who can ergonomics improve occupational health? Ergonomics improve occupational health by adapting the work environment to worker physical and mental needs, reducing effort and fatigue. This includes designing workstation tools and equipment that minimizes the risk of musculoskeletal injuries by improving ergonomic back, neck, and limb pain, common in jobs with prolonged posture or repetitive movements, can be prevent additional and ergonomically adequate environment increases worker comfort and efficiency. 4. How does work-related stress affect employee health? Work-related stress negatively impact employees' physical and mental health. It can trigger problems such as anxiety, depression, sleep disorder, and in more severe cases, burnout syndrome and chronic stress can also contribute to the development of cardiovascular disease and musculoskeletal problems. Organizations must implement strategies to manage stress, such as promoting work-life balance, offering physical support, and encouraging open communication between employees and management. 5. What roles to regulation and laws play in occupational health. Regulation and laws in occupational health play a fundamental role in protecting workers. These regulations require companies to ensure that their employees work in safe and healthy conditions. Laws typically mandate risk assessment, provide safety training, offer personal protective equipment, and conduct medical checks. Compliance with this regulation not only protects workers but also prevents legal sanctions for companies and improves their reputation as responsible employers.